Hello guys and welcome to this my new video. Today I want to talk about speeding up Windows 10 on your computer, in particular if you have an old laptop. I could just suggest you, okay, let's buy a solid state drive instead of your mechanical hard drive, but this is not what I want to show you. I want to show you 6 ways by software side to speed up Windows 10 without any cost. One of the reasons your system runs slow is that you've got so many programs running in background. Maybe they are programs that you never use. So the solution is just stopping them from running, and you will see that your PC can run more smoothly. Start by launching the Task Manager, so go here on Windows and type in Task Manager. Okay, select Task Manager. Go on More Details and on the Startup tab. Okay, here you have a list of application with the name, the status, if the application is disabled on startup or enabled, and the startup impact. If your application has got a high startup impact, this means that your application is really heavy. So what can we do in this case? I don't have just application really heavy, but you can disable the application that you want to have at the startup. For example, Microsoft OneDrive is one of them. I don't want Microsoft OneDrive will run on startup when I switch on my computer. So just left click and go on disable. Okay, Microsoft Edge as well. I don't want it will run on startup, so I disable. And that's done. So please consider that your startup impact is really important when you have to make this decision. So just select the application with an high startup impact and disable them. If you want to enable them again one day, you just can go here again in the Task Manager Startup tab and click on the right button and enable again. Just to make the things all clear, I want just to tell you that disabling the apps from the startup, as I have done, doesn't prevent you to launch this application where you want. For example, in this case I have disabled Microsoft OneDrive on the startup, but if I want, I can go in the second time, on OneDrive and launch it again. So this disabling operation is just to prevent the application to run when you switch on your computer, so when you start up your Windows. When you are using your system, Windows is monitoring what you are doing, so it tries to offers you some tips about the things you might want to do with the operating system. In my experience, I find that this is not so helpful. I don't find these tips really necessary. So I want to show you how to disable these tips and tricks coming from Windows. Okay, go in Start, Systems Settings, then go to System. Here, Notifications and Actions. And uncheck this box, Get tips, tricks and suggestions as you use Windows. And that's done. Windows 10 indexes your hard drive in the background, allowing your files research here, for example, where you search a file here in the search bar, making them more quickly than if no indexing were being done. So it's really useful for slower PC to turn off the search indexing. This will make yes, your research, your file research more slower than before, but for sure your performance will grow up. So let's see how to do it. Okay, go on the Start and type in Services. .msc and press Enter. Okay, just scroll down to Indexing Service. Or Windows Search. I think it's Windows Search. Okay, this one, as you can see, is running. Double click on it, and from the screen just click on Stop. Before clicking on Stop, I want to show you the description. What I have said provides content indexing, property caching, and search results for files, email and other content. So just click on Stop and click on OK. Windows 10 has got some shadows, animation, visual effects. We can say that on the newer PCs, in a newer laptop, these things usually don't affect your system performance, but in the slower PCs you can have some problems with this animation that can make your system really slow. So let's see how to disable these options. Okay, just go as usual in Start and type in sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Okay, now click on the Advanced tab. Here on Performance, click on Settings. Okay, here you have a list of animation that are enabled on your system. I can suggest you to uncheck some of these options. So if we click on Custom, you can uncheck what you don't want. Okay, I can suggest you to uncheck Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows. Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Animations in the taskbar. Fade or slide menus into the view. Fade or slide tooltips into the view. Fade out menu items after clicking, and then let me see, show shadows under windows. I think this is enough to make your system faster. Apply. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have turned off before the shadows, the animation, and the visual effects of Windows. But what we want to do now to increase our system speed is to disable the transparency effects that Windows 10 uses. How to do it? Just go on Start, Settings, choose Personalization, go on Colors, and disable transparency effects. And in the last, but not for this the less useful than the other operations, there's the hard drive optimization. The more you use your system, the more your hard drive becomes fragmented. What does it mean? It means that when a disk becomes fragmented, it means that it stores the file in different locations of the hard drive. So when Windows needs this file, it takes a while to put them together before running them. So just see how to make the hard drive optimized. Go and Start, and in the search box just type in defrag. Click on the drive you want to defrag, in this case the C drive, and click on the Optimize button. Okay, when the operation has been finished, you will see the current status OK and 0% fragmented, and click on Close. Okay guys, I hope this video has been useful to you. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like on this video, and see you on the next video. Thank you.